How to go live on TikTok PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can go live on TikTok PC. So without any delay, let's start with the video, and for that don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to go live on TikTok PC, open up tiktok.com. After that, you just need to head over to your profile at the upper right corner. You can find that very easily beside the chat. Just click on it and you'll be finding Live Studio if you have that option available. If you fulfill the requirement of TikTok of going live, just go and click Live Studio. After that, you'll be taken to another page where you need to download the TikTok Live Studio. You just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to find this option called free download for Windows. You may just download the one that is comfortable with you. After that, just tap on download, and after it is downloaded, just head over to the account and you may just start your live there. So that's how you basically start your TikTok live using a PC. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.